On back to the on-deck circle. You'll be coming up shortly. Right now,
You getting ready?
another true story. You know, just over here in Burbank,
Excuse me.
they have the orchestras for all the movies. A lot of musicians out there. Yesterday, the oboe player, they keep their reeds in their mouth. They keep them moist. Oboe player sneezed and inhaled the reed down in her throat. So they called 911 and they said, "What should we do?" He said, "Just use the muted trumpet." True story. Actually happened yesterday in Burbank. Fits beautifully hand in glove with the Colfax Rockin' for the Arts, I thought. So while we're waiting, do you know what you call a drummer in a three-piece suit? The defendant. That's right, you know what the drummer got on his IQ test? Saliva. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the Angry Dogs.